Hi everyone, it's Miss DePaula. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Scribble tool for your 11.5 daily review, which you can find on Google Slides. So we're going to zoom in to a problem. Let's do number 5. So as you can see, it says type or use Scribble tool here. And the reason that we can use the Scribble tool is because sometimes your answers are going to be hard to type. So for example, if your answer is a fraction, it might be easier to just use the Scribble tool. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to come up to your toolbar, and as you can see here, this is the box where you're allowed to choose all different types of lines. So you're going to click the down arrow, you're going to go all the way to Scribble, and then it gives you this little pointer, and then it allows you to draw your answer like so. Okay, so this is how we use the Scribble tool. If you guys would like to use that, you can, or if you prefer typing, you can do that too.